I have an amazing collection for you. It is called Twilight Safari. It's got vibrant colors paired with black silhouettes. It's very striking. And there are lots of things that coordinate with it. So let's get started. Okay, of course you're going to get an idea sheet. That's what's going to come with the luxury card collection. That's our first step. And in this collection, you are going to get black foil die cuts. Aren't they rich? There are 102 foil die cuts. Every single sheet has a coordinating foiled adorable scorable to go with it and a printed adorable scorable to go with it. So just going through these, you can see the lions, the elephants have a roaring birthday. Just beautiful artwork. Again, the foiled piece, they're foiled in black, and the printed piece that also coordinates. Then we have the leopard and other animals. You can see the tree and so forth. And again, the foiled one and the printed, and rhinoceroses and hippopotamuses. Nice to have those on the same sheet. And then again, the foiled, you're going to get 2 of everything, and the printed. Okay, so that begins our collection, but we have so much more. So just to recap, 102 foil die cuts, 2 of everything you saw, 8 foiled adorable scorable, 8 printed adorable scorable, and the idea sheet. Okay, that starts us off. Then we're going to go into the inserts. As you know, there are 12 sheets, A4 size. They are ghosted back artwork that came from the adorable collection, the card collection. And you can see these are called card inserts. That was their original purpose, but the design team has done so much with these, and they are just very, very useful, more so than I would have thought. So that's really kind of nice. And okay, so that's the inserts, 12 of those. Something very different. We have a separate collection. This is foiled adorable scorable. Now, there are 16 sheets, 8 designs, so you're going to get 2 of each. Highly reflective, really gorgeous. And it's that same adorable scorable cardstock. Very nice. And as I said, you're going to get 2 of every single one that I'm showing you. Okay, so that's something new. Then we have our foiled acetate. Now I'm going to bring in a sheet just so I can show you each of these designs. You're going to get 2 of each one. They are all printed on acetate. You can turn them over and use them either way that you like. Here is those stripes, and we have borders, and we have the cheetah print all over. So that is the foiled acetate. Then we have this small pad, and this is measuring 4 inches by 5 3/4. And in this, you're going to get 12 designs. You're going to get 6 copies of that design. So let me show them to you. So here we go. They are printed only on one side. And again, you're going to get 6 of each one. So just stunning artwork, just very, very. If you've got kids in your life, they are going to love this. Also, very nice for masculine cards. And it just is quite a collection. Okay, so that's all 12 of the designs. You're going to get 6 of each one. So that's really nice. Now, what else you might ask? What could there possibly be? Well, let me show you. There is also a stamp set. So the stamp set is here, and you can see it is Twilight Safari. It's all of those silhouettes. Of course, in the smaller version, you even get that tree, you get some borders, adventurous out there, I'm wild about you, some birds, even clouds. So all of that in that collection. But I think I'm not done. Right. Here is this set of, let's see, these are La 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 la. Let me look at it. These are 5.5 inches square. Now, you are going to get 12 more designs, and you're going to get 6 of each of these. So this is the 4 by 5 3/4. Okay. So here we go. These are also, oh, these are double-sided. Okay, so let me show you that. There we go. Here is another. So that's going to be fun to do the stamping. And have the birds going up there. Do more on the back. Go. So very, oh, pretty. Okay, so lots of things going on here. So you've got that back side, and again, because you get so many sheets of this, you can really take advantage of those backgrounds as well as the A side of the sheets. Very, ooh, pretty. Okay, antelope and the stripes, some cranes, we have zebra, and this. All of these, 12 designs. Wow. Okay, we've got a lot going on here. Okay, whoops, you saw the hippo. And more, and more, and more, and two more. There you go. So all of that is in this collection. Okay, so to recap, oh no, I've got one more thing. Okay, this is very different too. So it's gonna be cute trying to pull all this back. This is, it's a mini kit, and what Hunkydory does, it's the same card repeated, and you'll be able to make 4 cards out of it, but of course it has a lower price point. This is an acetate easel card, and what's interesting, so you're gonna get your die cuts, the foil die cuts, which is what you would expect, but you're also getting these acetate pieces inside. You get quite a few of them, actually. You're going to get 4 different ones. And this is going to become part of your card. The directions are right here. And Steve, can we get in super, super close? I want to just really show you right there. Even closer. Even, oh, thank you. Even closer. Even just a little bit. There you go. He's chuckling and making bad sounds over there. Okay, so you can see that that easel, it's an easel card, so it's going to stand up, but it has layers of the acetate, and it's got the backgrounds and so forth. Very fun. So step by step how to do it. Okay, now Steve, we got to back up. And it also is going to show you all 4 of the cards that you can make. So that's something very different. Everything is sold separately, but just to recap, you've got that Twilight Safari acetate. You've got the perfect backgrounds is what this set is called. You've got the stamp set, and you've got the, this is the bite-sized book. And we've got the foiled acetate. We've got the foiled adorable Scora bowl. Told you this was a lot. This is also the inserts and the thing that we started with, the Twilight Safari luxury card collection. All of it from Hunkydory, and we have all of it right here.